Hi everyone, my name is Bena Peton. I am from Sazolie College, Visit Jotoma.
Hello, my name is Utisanan Longkamer, currently serving as the president of Sazolie College.
My name is Khotso from Sazolie College, and I'm extremely delighted to be a part of this Bloom Bazaar. It is a very well-planned event.
Well, I am very fortunate to have me and my college mates be a part.
It's a beautiful place. You can see vibrant number of entrepreneurs and the flower owners. It's so good to see that there's also the diversity in the shops and various merchandise and accessories.
It is a great exposure for us as students because we do not get such exposures, on a daily basis. So I feel very blessed to be here along with my 45 classmates who are present here today. So yeah, I hope we have a great time today.
And the best thing about this bazaar is that there are so many flowers, and as someone who loves flowers, I felt so happy as I walk around this bazaar. My favorite thing about this bazaar is, as I've mentioned, it is because of the flowers, which is why I'm holding one.
It's a fun place to go visit with your family, and also at the same time it's good to support these local people of what they are trying to do.
And why I would recommend it to my friends is because I have so many friends who are interested in flowers as well as arts. And as I was walking around this bazaar, I saw so many flowers which were pressed and so many handmade crafts, which encouraged me a lot to even pursue hobbies.
Overall, I would say that my experience was just splendid here, just ideal experience. It was better than what I expected. Thank you.
Overall, it was a very good experience, and I would recommend it to my friends as well as I would visit it again. Thank you.
Today, I bought a rose for myself as well. So thank you so much.